the beautiful flowers on campus here at Liaoning Normal University. Just beautiful. Spent a lot of work making this place really, really nice. Right beside the soccer field, and so every spring it becomes really beautiful. This is pretty cool. Wow, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna miss China, but of course I'll be back a lot because of Renee. But I really enjoyed my time here, and this is one small part of the campus I will certainly miss. Like something right out of a movie. All the petals falling from the wind. Wow. Not sure what kind of tree this is. Malus, micro Malus. Never heard of it. Just incredible, incredible. But what's so neat now is the wind is knocking some of the petals off, so just like they're slowly floating down, like something you'd see in a sci-fi movie or something. So neat. And here's our soccer field. Used for many things other than soccer, of course, but a lot of people play soccer on the weekends. We've also thrown the frisbee there. This over there is a kindergarten, so a lot of faculty will send their children to there if they're of that age, 5, 6 years old. And this is, I forget which building this is. I think it's about the work building. When they say work building, I mean like students who are ready to graduate and they need to help finding work, so you go to this building. So our school building is way over here. You can't see it from here. Over there is the administration building for LNU. So this is the North Campus, and then we won't be able to see it from here, of course, but if you were to go out here in this, kind of like out this way and then another right, you go to the main gate, and then across from the main gate is the South Campus. See if I can get a different angle here. Yeah, aren't they beautiful? Just gorgeous. It's April 26th today. And another week, these will be all gone. All these flowers. Zoom back out here a little bit. You can see it. So it's just basically one row of trees.